Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to post a review to a Facebook business page. This is a great way to share your experience with the business and help others make informed decisions. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to facebook.com in your browser and log in to your Facebook business account. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page listed there. This gives you access to manage your page and interact with other businesses. Now, to post reviews on other business pages, you'll want to locate the search bar at the top left part of your screen. You'll see a search Facebook field right there. In this field, type in the name of the business you wish to post a review on. As you type, results will start appearing below. Look through these results carefully to find the respective page for the business you're searching for and click on it. This will take you directly to their business page. Once you're viewing the business page you wish to post a review on, direct your attention to the actions bar near the top of the page. Here, you'll see several options. Click on the More drop-down button. When you click this, additional business tabs will appear, giving you access to more features. From these options, click on Reviews. This is where all the reviews for this business are displayed and where you'll be able to add your own. Now comes the actual review posting process. You'll be prompted with a question asking if you recommend this business or not. You'll see a simple choice between yes or no. Since business pages can receive both positive and negative reviews, you have the flexibility to share your honest opinion. For this tutorial, we'll choose the yes option to recommend this business. Once you click yes, a recommendation and review window will pop up on your screen. In the field provided, enter your experience or the review you wish to post on this business page. Take your time to write something helpful and detailed. Once you've finished writing your review and you're satisfied with what you've shared, click Post. Your review will now be visible on the business page for others to see. And that's it. You've successfully posted a review to a Facebook business page, helping both the business and other potential customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.